All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? I want to share with you a free MYECON free online marketing system that you can get access to today by joining the funnel team. And I'm going to give you a review of the funnel team so you can see if it's a good fit for you. And if in case you want to join MYECON, there will be a link in the description below. Now you're going to get access to this complete back office, this funnel team training site, okay? Completely 100% free. It doesn't cost you anything. You're going to get over $11,000 worth of value just from this system alone. Not only that, you're going to be added to our Facebook group where there's daily training going on in there as well. That's going to help you grow your MYECON business. So what we're going to do, I'm going to walk you through each tab in here. I'm going to open up some tabs because I really want you to see what you're going to get access to when you join me, Richard Hairston, in MYECON. So we're on the watch, the first page right here, right now, the training site overview. You really want to watch the videos in here and follow the training and then take action, okay? You're going to get enrollment team updates and you're going to join our Facebook group. So if I click here inside of the Facebook group, you see that we have over 5,000 members inside of this group right here, okay? And if you just go down through this group, you're going to see, you know, Daniel doing training here, training here, training here, other training. You're going to get what you need to post in here. I'm going to show you one of these. Okay, if I go back here, you'll see the post that you need to make. They give you a post that you can post on your Facebook profile, okay, in order to help you get customers. So this is the support group inside of Facebook for the funnel team. So you're going to watch this video, as I said, enrollment team updates. And then once you do that, you're going to set up your apps and links here. Watch the overview video. It's going to walk you step by step. You're going to do an app download that got app document, FAQ documents here. You're going to set up your links and domains all down through here, all kinds of links for capture pages and things that you're going to get access to. I'm not going to scroll down through them because I'm not going to share any of the links, but you're going to get access to the document training. So if you click here, it opens up, okay, the domain link training in a Google Doc for you as well. So you'll have access to that, okay? So also setting up your domain link, then you click on the what's next. It's going to walk you through what's next. Then you're going to start promoting, understanding the process. You want to watch the video because you really want to grasp what it is that you're doing and how you're supposed to be doing it. You're going to get ready for the process, access the document trainings here. Okay, it's going to open up, going to walk you through how to do everything with the training. So you got docs to go along with the videos. What the process look like, you're going to have the vault. And I'll show you the vault in a little later on in this video. You're going to how good is the process, access the 4-point doc formula. Okay, that there. You're going to have access to that. Also, getting good at communication. Same thing, is going to open up a Google Doc for you just like that. And then the what's next video. For your membership, you're going to have your membership overview, how the compensation plan works, the back office overview, W4 correction, ID defender, my credit system, cash flow manager, investment education, travel site overview. So this gives you everything you need to know about your membership back office. Or what do you do when you get a sale? What do you send them? We have a script that you can send them. If I click on that, it's going to open up that script. So it's going to be there for you to copy to send to the person who joins you. Inside of the vault, how to use the vault. If I access the vault, open it up, you're going to get all of this information here inside of the vault. Testimonial, speaking, non-speaking, faceless engagement posts. If I just double click on that, you know, done for you right there. All of these things right here, you're going to get access to inside of the vault, okay? Then for your bonuses, you're going to have your bonuses overview, live weekly training. You can open up that tab right there. It's going to take you to live weekly trainings, 10-part training series. That the same thing is going to open up, take you to that right there, okay? Some other things, you're going to have a team rotator, where you can get access to. You're going to click here to get in the team rotator, depending upon the level that you come in at. Okay, so you have access to that as well. Social Mastery Blueprint. I'm going to open this up and just kind of show you what you're going to get access to there. You have a whole nother training section inside of here as well. Okay, YouTube, Facebook deep dive, everything you need is inside of that one. Social Mastery Blueprint. Also, YouTube University, it's the same thing. There's training inside of there as well. Okay, just to give you a glimpse, that's your YouTube University. If you're into doing YouTube videos, which I highly recommend that you do, you want to start doing YouTube video. Scalability Pro, if I click on that, there's another training, full training inside of here. If I log into my account, you're going to see some other training in here as well. Bonus traffic, all of this in here. Okay, mindset shift, dedicated time, all of this training that you're going to need is inside of this system. Okay, and we have mindset mastery. You want to make sure that you get your mindset right, because a lot of people come into this business and they think they're just going to come in and make money quickly. That's not going to happen. You got to get your mindset right, because you're going to fail. Okay, failure is a part of learning how to run this MYECON business, or any business in general. So you want to make sure that you do that. So you're going to have the mindset mastery, go through these training, take time out to do that. And then you have the Craigslist posting software here as well, okay, that you get access to. And that's if you're in a Craigslist marketing. I'm not a big Craigslist marketer. I don't do anything on Craigslist, but you have that option as well. And then there is of course, the conclusion. So you see, you're going to get over $11,000 worth of value. Plus, when you get added to the Facebook group, there's daily training in there, action step for you to take inside of there as well. So you're going to have access to everything that you see right here inside of this system. The funnel team is the fastest growing team in MYECON, and we want you to be a part of that team by clicking the link in the description below. If I come back over here, I can just show you some of the pages. Hold on a minute. These are some of the pages that you're going to get inside of the system as well. You know, capture pages, opt-in pages, VSL and things. This is one of the pages. This is one of the latest pages that they made, okay, that you're going to get access to. You can get access to this page as well, this page here as well, and you can see this page here too. And you know, you get a VSL for the credit repair part of it as well. So you're going to get access to everything that you need in order to be successful. You're going to get access to an app, okay, that you can get in contact with your leads on the go when you're out and about. If you get a lead, you're able to get in contact with them. We give you scripts and everything you need in order to be successful in MYECON. Now, you can go ahead on, get started by clicking the link in the description below. Once you get started, I will get an email, a notification by email that you have joined. Once you join, then I'm going to send you an email that's going to show you how to get started. You can text me and let me know that you joined. My number will be above this video, but I'm here to help you. The funnel team is here to help you. So I hope you got value from this video to make a firm decision to join MYECON with the funnel team today by clicking that link in the description below. I will see you on the inside of MYECON. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment below. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.